In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Publishing your work can be an exciting journey, and today I'll guide you through the process to make it as seamless as possible. Just sit back, relax, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to create or sign into your Amazon KDP account. Head over to kdp.amazon.com. If you already have an Amazon account, you can use those credentials to sign in. Otherwise, you'll need to create a new account specifically for KDP. Keep in mind that you might need to verify your account, and it's crucial to set up your payment and tax information during this step. This ensures that all your financial details are in order, so you can focus on the fun part, publishing your book. Once you're signed in, navigate to your KDP bookshelf. Here, you'll find the Create button. This is where the magic happens. Click it and choose the type of book you're bringing to life, be it an ebook, paperback, or hardcover. Knowing the format is essential as it affects the way you'll handle your manuscript and cover uploads. Now that we have the basics done, let's move on to entering your book details. You'll need to provide a few key pieces of information: your book's title, subtitle, author name, and a description that grabs potential readers. Don't forget to include keywords and categories. These help in making your book discoverable to the right audience. Also, ensure you have the correct publishing rights before hitting the next step. Clarifying your rights upfront will help avoid any legal complications later on. Next comes the exciting part: uploading your manuscript and cover. The format is crucial here. If you're publishing an ebook, upload your manuscript in EPUB or doc format. If it's a paperback or a hardcover you're aiming for, then you'll need to upload the manuscript as a PDF. Cover files are also needed, and you'll want them to look professional. Use Amazon's Previewer tool to ensure everything looks as intended. Check every hyperlink, page margin, and design detail to make sure it's all in place. With your manuscript ready, it's time to choose your publishing rights and pricing. Decide whether to enroll in KDP Select for exclusive ebook distribution on Amazon, which can offer some additional promotional benefits. Setting your list price comes next. Take time to consider the available royalty options and the territories where you want to sell your book. Pricing strategies can vary, but choosing wisely here can significantly impact your earnings. The final step in our journey is hitting that Publish button. For ebooks, once everything is set, you can publish immediately. If you're publishing a paperback or hardcover, it might be wise to order a proof copy first. This allows you to see a physical or digital version of how the final product will look before going live. Once everything meets your approval, go ahead and publish your print book. And there you have it. Completing these steps will see your book successfully published on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to see your book out there for the world to enjoy.